Hey everyone, I hope you are doing absolutely well. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix your TradingView chart when it is not moving in 2026. Now guys, if you are interested in the TradingView premium subscriptions, now is the time to purchase it because currently a Black Friday sale is going on TradingView in which you are going to get the huge discounts of the year, meaning that you are going to get up to 80% off on all of their subscriptions. Plus you will get 1 month absolutely for free. So if you are interested in this deal, make sure you check out the link in the description. So first of all, when you come here on tradingview.com, you just have to log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, click on the option of products in order to launch the chart in front of you. Now over here on the top of the chart, you will see this replay button. So you just have to click on this button, and if replay mode is active, your chart will freeze until you turn it off. So you can click on the option of the replay button again to return to the live data. So sometimes we use the replay button. If you don't have the premium account, make sure you can use the link in the description in order to access this particular option. Now sometimes when we use the replay button for back testing, we forgot that we are using the back data and we are not in the live market. So you can just simply look for this option whether it is enabled or disabled. The next thing that you can do is you can just simply look for this type of scale icon over here in the bottom left hand corner. Now here, if you see a small red line or the chart that is scrolled far to the left, it means that you are not at the latest candle. So you can drag your chart all the way to the right hand side, and this way too you will be able to come here on the live price of this particular chart. Now if your chart is still not moving, you just have to check your data status at the top. It will be shown here on the top. If you see this type of green icon, this is what we want. But instead of this green icon, if it is showing you delayed or end of day, it simply means that you are not in the real time data. So you can try switching the symbol to a real time source, or you can also update your market data settings in your profile. You can also try refreshing this particular page. So when you click on the option of reload, it is going to take some time and show you the real time chart. So with the help of these few methods, you will be able to fix the TradingView chart not moving problem. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for more TradingView tutorials. Thanks for watching.